Hi, my name is Kurt Asplund, and this is my studio.
Ta-da!
I didn't forget this time, Sal, did I?
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. I'm getting better at this.
Old dog.
Well, hey, today we finish up part 2 of our Animal Crossing style house.
Yep, part 2, so I can move in.
Okay, Saul, you're going to move in. Sounds okay with me. Let's get started.
Rent-free. Did I say that? Rent-free, baby.
Part 2 of our Animal Crossing style of house. And let's pick up where we left off with our drawing from yesterday.
Yay, part 2.
So first thing I'm going to start to do is to darken in my front door.
Yep.
And I'm going to add some windows to the top of the door.
Yeah, that way we can see out. We want to see who's coming. Delivery guy delivering cat chow.
Now up near the side of the roof, you can see I'm gonna start to extend it.
Yep, overhang it, so water.
Extend the roof line just a little bit, so this kind of sits on top of our base drawing, and you can see how I'm doing that.
Yeah, that's pretty easy to do. You just want to have an overhang there, so, you know, no one wants a flooded basement. Plus, that's a great place to, you know, crawl up on top of the roof and sing at the moon.
Yeah, we just want that to overlap the top of the house, and now I'm going to add some round scallops to give a sense of the roof.
Yeah,
Kind of adds a fun little detail instead of shingles. Now, with the basis of this house, you can add all kinds of different things, different roof tiles. In this case, I'm just kind of using the scalloped look.
yeah, platforms.
Now I'm going to add an oval and create kind of a main beam that the whole roof is hanging on.
Yeah, I like that. That's a nice log up on top there. Looks like I could crawl up there and scratch.
And at the end of the house here, I'm going to create an oval for a window that you would see outside with.
Oh yeah, I like that. Lots of light, open concept.
I just put the center crossbar of the window, and be careful of the one that goes across the center of it, that it follows the direction of the front of the house and not the side.
Yeah, careful that one.
Just compare your drawing closely with mine, and you can make sure you're right on the mark.
Yeah, match it up.
I'm going to add some straight lines here to kind of indicate a fence, like a picket fence.
Yeah, that way we can get back in there and keep the mice in and spy on people through the cracks of the fence.
Just going through and sharpening and darkening up some of my lines now that I'm confident with the overlook here. Now I'm going to add some leaves to my bushes out here, and I'm just using the radius or the equator line that I drew yesterday on the bushes to just kind of get a feel for the leaves that are going around the bush, because these are round bushes.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
I'm going to add a long window here that goes across the side of the house.
Yeah, make those bushes good. All right, I like that. More light. Like I said before, it's more light in the house. It's like an open concept on the inside. Maybe we get some people to come over and remodel the thing.
Adding some surface lines to the underside of the roof, so it has a little bit of a shadow. Adding that beam toward the back of the house.
Yeah, I like where you're going here.
And just going over my lines and darkening some up.
Yep.
So they stand out from my underdrawing.
Yeah. Keep that under.
This is why it's so important to draw lightly at the very beginning.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Draw lightly at the beginning.
Kind of adding a little porch here out in front of the house, right where the door is, and you can see how I'm lining up my lines.
I like that. Sun would heat that up and I could lay and stretch out right in front of the front door.
Some little things of grass.
Yeah, grass is good. I like to eat it. I like to eat it a lot, that grass.
Adding a swing in the tree now.
Interesting. What do you think is gonna swing in that with me around? I'm gonna sit on that. Swing back and forth and watch the birds. Wow, birds.
Now I'm going to add a little line here that kind of matches the same direction of the base of the house and adding some round mounds. Almost this would be like a garden. So the round shapes kind of are surface lines that give a sense of the dirt is round here.
All right, Farmer John.
And then we're going to use overlap again and draw a number of round circles. They might be cabbage plants, they might be lettuce plants.
Cabbage? Lettuce? Bah, humbug. I'm a red meat kind of guy. You can keep the vegetables for yourself.
Add some round shapes in the tree. They might be apple tree.
Yeah. Rotten apples are a good thing to throw. I like to throw them at people who look at me too much.
Gonna add some sunflowers.
Oh yeah, everyone likes a sunflower. Brings the birds in.
Into the side yard.
Yeah, fill that up. Make it colorful. I like this. I like it a lot.
Maybe add a little sign on the side of your house that it might say something like the person who lives there. It might say home sweet home.
Oh, it's gonna say the person that lives there? No, you wanna say
Just kind of going back in and starting to darken things up.
You wanna say Saul's house.
Add a little chimney on the back side of the roof.
Oh, I like that. Nice and warm on those winter months. I can just stretch out in front of that nice warm fire. Cook some marshmallows, some s'mores. I like it.
Add some more grass.
Oh yeah, never enough grass. And make it long grass, because I'm choosy when it comes to the grass I'm gonna choose. I like to chew on. I like to walk around and find the sweet stuff.
More grass. What do you think, Saul?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I think I could flip this house and make a lot of money. Flip it. Yeah, I'll live here for a little bit, then we'll flip it and make a nice profit.
All right, this should finish this up here. If you look at my sample, the image, I had put some tones into it, and you are more than welcome to do that. I hope you had a great drawing. And Sal, give us a send-off, buddy.
Send off. Never mind. Hey, just make sure you like and subscribe, but comment. Tell me how great I am. See you later. Ciao.